Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Jersey Tax account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Jersey Tax account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in Jersey Tax login and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. From the search results, click on first link shown on the page. You will end up on the login page of Jersey Tax account. Enter your user ID and password associated with your Jersey Tax account and tap on login. In case if you don't remember your password, click on reset password option. This is how you can log into your Jersey Tax account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.